Today we're in Rome, and as everybody knows, Rome is a very Catholic place. Italy is a very Catholic country, so they really know how to celebrate Jesus. And what better way to celebrate Jesus than this giant Kinder surprise? They have it here around Easter time, and I managed to get a hold of it. This Kinder Gran Sorpresa Gigante, the giant one. I've never seen this anywhere outside of Italy, let alone outside of Easter, because this is the only time that they really sell it here. So we're going to unwrap this, check it out. Wow! So we open it up, and we get the biggest freaking Kinder surprise you've ever seen. It's as big as my head. Wow! Jesus Christ, this thing is huge! Okay. We're gonna try to open it up without breaking the whole thing. Okay, we did it. Oh, baby, look at that. Holy cow, look at how big this is. I don't know who can eat all this. Maybe I can. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Let's see, from the biggest Kinder egg on the planet that's at least officially made. Wow. Have you ever seen a Kinder toy this big? This thing is like industrial grade. You're gonna need like a college graduate mechanical engineer to put this all together. Now the main question is, how does this egg taste? Is it gonna be any good even? It's a lot of Kinder. I think you're never gonna want to eat a Kinder egg ever again after this. Freaking fire. It's Italy. It's Kinder egg. You know it's gonna be delicious. It's fantastic. This is how huge it is. I can fit my whole head in here. It's like a mask, right? Boom, boom. Maybe my face is better off covered. This was the video. Hope you liked it. This is the biggest Kinder egg in Italy. If you liked it, like, subscribe, comment. Do you even like Kinder eggs? Should they be legalized in America? Is that the dumbest law in the world that you can't legally have these into America? If I were to import this into America, I would at least lose my global entry. And holy crap, after all that, this is what we get. We get the Batmobile. It opens up like this. You got Batman, Bruce Wayne, the OG right in there. This is the sickest toy I've ever gotten in a Kinder Surprise. Like, by far, bar none. So, get yourself one. Peace.